After the end of this video, you will be able to create a toggle button like this. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so first of all, create a frame of size width 160 and height 80. Then change its radius to 50 and change the color to gray. Then rename it. After doing so, add a rectangle on top of that, height and width both respectively 64. Then change the color to white. Now change its radius to 50 and position it correctly. Then add a drop shadow to it with value x0, y0 and blur 12. Now select the frame and duplicate it. Rename it. And then stretch the rectangle to give a stretchy effect. Now duplicate both the frame and change the rectangle position in the switch and change its color to green. Now rename these two frames also. So change the color of second stretchy button to green. Here we are done with our design. So now let's select all this frame and create a component set. Now let us keep it aside and create a frame of size 500 into 500. Oh, sorry, we have to do our prototype too. So guys, let me prototype it quickly. Here I am not going to explain you all this prototyping process, so do follow this video and do it by yourself. So guys, here I am done with my prototyping, and now let me show you how this switch works by placing the switch into this artboard, and here we go. So guys, this is how our switch is looking like. It's so smooth and realistic. Finally, we are done with this tutorial video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, do like this video and subscribe to my channel.